We'll guide you through how to address a Dropbox security issue quickly and effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. To enhance security, you need to enable two-step verification. Go to your account settings by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Security tab. Here you'll see the option for two-step verification. Click Enable next to it. Dropbox will guide you through the setup process, which involves verifying your phone number and choosing whether you want to receive your verification codes via SMS or through an authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, making sure to enter any codes that are sent to your device. Once two-step verification is enabled, you'll have an extra layer of security, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Additionally, it's a good idea to review your connected devices and apps. Scroll down in the same Security tab and you will see a section labeled Devices. Here you can see all the devices linked to your Dropbox account. If you notice any devices you don't recognize or no longer use, you can easily unlink them by clicking the X next to the device name. For connected apps, click on Connected Apps in the Settings menu and review the list. Revoke access to any apps you no longer use or don't recognize. By keeping your account clean and secure, you help ensure that your data remains protected. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.